Welcome. We're going to practice revolved triangle or Parivrtta Trikonasana today. If you have two blocks, keep them handy because this is a challenging pose and the blocks will help you to do the pose better. If you don't have any blocks, that's okay. You can still practice the pose. Let's start in Samastiti, Tadasana or mountain pose. Have the blocks on top of the mat, stepping forward with your right foot and step back with your left foot. Feet are 4 to 5 feet apart. Right foot 90, left foot 45. Take your right hip back and left hip forward. With an inhalation, arms up, reach up, lengthen the spine, soften the shoulders. On your exhale, go forward and down. You can have your hands on the blocks or you can have your hands on your shin bone. Then bring your right hand to your lower back. You want to level up your hips. And you want to do your twist through your middle back or thoracic spine. Then the last piece is to take your right arm up. If you have a shoulder injury, you can keep your right hand to your lower back. Opening the chest to the right, keeping your legs engaged. Press the outer edge of your left foot on the mat. Gazing at your right thumb. If it bothers your neck, look forward or look down. And then slowly release it out. Then switch sides. On each side, try to hold it for 5 deep breaths. Left foot 90, right foot 45, heel to heel or heel to arch. Legs straight, engage your legs. Reach up through the crown of the head. Left hip back and right hip forward. Inhale, both arms up. Now this is another way to get into the pose. Right arm forward, left arm goes back. So you do your twist here through your middle back. Then you can have your right hand on the block on your right side, on the shin or your ankle, or on the block on your left side. Eventually you will have your right hand on the mat. Then open the chest to your left, take your left arm up. If you want to adjust your hips, you can have your left hand to your lower back, adjust the hip, or left thumb to your left hip, press it back. Gazing at your left thumb, softening your shoulders, pressing your shoulders back, engaging your legs, anchoring the outer edge of your right foot or your back foot. Relax your toes. And slowly release it out. Then go back to mountain pose, Tadasana or Samastiti. Practice this pose and let me know if you have any questions.